Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Today I am making another princess themed backdrop, but this time it's based on Princess Tiana. So I just put on the playlet sequin. That playlet sequin comes from CV Linens, and I actually bought it by the yard and I cut it in half and added a 4-inch pocket. I have also added on sage voile, which is in the center, two-way stretch ivory, plain sequin, and then I have some sage velvet. Now the voile is from CV Linens. The two-way stretch, I believe I got that from the Posh Academy. And then the sequin, this is the sequin I got from Katie's Story. Velvet is from CV Linen. So I'm just measuring. I'm gonna have to go back and measure again once I put that crown on. But I'm just seeing how many panels I'm gonna put in the center of the crown. So I'm attaching it with zip ties. Now I'm measuring again just to make sure everything is even. I don't ever try to find the center. I don't ever try to find the width. I just try to make sure whatever panels, just make sure the panels match. I just put on the pole covers. Now I'm putting on my sequin panels on the crown. There is a slot for me to slide it in. You want to make sure you get the more expensive crown so that you can have a way to put the drapes on. I'm adding on the picture frame. I'm attaching it to the crown, like to the back of the crown. So I'm starting in the middle. I'm gonna make a V. Once you get your V going, then you can make those deeper swags. But I'm gonna run into a little problem because you need to make sure you have a nice size V. So right here, I've made like a V, but it's a smaller V. And then I'm gonna try to swag my fabric, and it's not gonna work out too well because you need to have more fabric in the center in order to go into your swag. So even though I'm trying to give it a little bump right there, I'm gonna take that out and then I'm just gonna keep that straight. So I'm trying to swag it, but it's not gonna look right. I'm like, okay, something is not right. So normally when you get voile is way wider than that. They only sell it at 5 feet wide. Usually it's 10 feet wide when you buy it. But I still should have knew to use more fabric in the center. So I went ahead and got those two sequin panels out the way, and here I am starting over. I'm keeping the gold sequin nice and straight because I need a nice size V before I start to deepen those swags. Now I'm about to create a bump, as you can see, with the ivory, doing the same thing to the other side. And then with my sage velvet, I'm gonna go even deeper with my swag. And now it kind of worked out better, but I could have used a little bit more fabric in the center, but I still was able to get some deep swag. So it's fine. I have some chiffon in the back. I went ahead and attached it to the uprights. It's a really, really nice chiffon. They don't even sell it anymore on Amazon, but it is 10 feet long. But it's a heavy, nice texture of chiffon fabric. So I just got so many different textures going on here. I got voile, I got two-way stretch, I got velvet, I got sequin, plain sequin, playlet sequin, and I have chiffon. So I just got a variety of textures. And I'm just making the bottom of my panels nice and neat, giving them shape, giving them form. I did my Hershey Kiss in the center. Now I'm taking off some of the pipe cleaners because I'm going to use a sequin napkin as my tie back, and you don't want any pipe cleaners showing. I do add them on just to make sure it's secure, but you just need them to be kind of like in a straight line. so that they're not visible when you put on your napkin or whatever type bag you decide to use. Okay, so I added in the props. You're gonna have to watch my other video to get a little bit more details on my props, but I will link everything below this video. But I'm very happy with the way everything turned out. I have a couple of shades of sage green. Everybody, sage green is not the same, but I think it still worked out. I think it worked out. Let me know what you think of the colors. I tried to make sure I got the arch covers. You know what? Actually, my velvet doesn't come from CV Linens. It comes from eFavor Mark. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time. Bye.